I've been into this business for a very long time, but why am I not growing? Why is my business behind all other business? Why is it that my farm is not growing? Is it that my family are fighting against me? Is it that my enemy are at war? Is it that my siblings or my extended family don't want me to succeed? Is it that the devil doesn't want me to get to any point in life? See, sometimes it is not all about this question. It is not all about gaining the whole experience before growing on your farmland. It is not all about gaining all the knowledge before getting bigger on your farmland. Something matter when it comes to growing. If you don't have passion for what you do, you will always remain behind all other people that have passion in whatever they do. So if you don't have passion for what you are doing, for the work you are doing, for the business you go into, for anything you are doing, there is no way you can grow big. For those who go into farming, if you see some people that are growing bigger time to time, you see them increasing and increasing. There is one thing that is happening to them. They have passion and they have zeal for what they are doing. The passion in them drive out the zeal to do what? To do what they are doing. And that was the reason why their farm is growing. Take for instance now, for most of us that are going to school studying some difficult courses, in the universities, in the polytechnic or not tertiary institution. So if you don't have passion, if they don't have passion for what they are doing, there is no way they can pass. There is no way they can be who they want to be. For instance, now a child might be growing and said, "Dad, Mom, I want to become a mechanical engineering. I want to become civil engineering or whatever engineering. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a professor. I want to become that." If they don't have passion for that, there is no way they can be what they are. So the main reason why you are left behind was because you don't have passion for what you are doing. If you have passion for what you are doing, then that passion will drive out the zeal in you to do what you are doing perfectly. So put into passion. I'm talking to somebody that is left behind in all ramifications, in all this business, in all areas, be it agriculture, be it other parts, or whatever business you are going into. Have passion. Once you get passion, the passion will drive out the zeal, and the zeal will give you the power, the strength, all the brain, the intellectual, all the things you need, how you are going to work things out, how to multiply, how to propagate your crops, your animals, and everything like that. The zeal will drive out the knowledge, and the knowledge will do what? The knowledge will increase your business. So not until you get passion for what you are doing, you will be left behind. So if you are a farmer, maybe you are going into farming afresh, or you have been into it before, or you are just starting. So like when I say afresh, maybe you have been into it before and you failed. So you are trying to start afresh again. So if you don't have passion, you will always remain like you are before. But if you have passion for what you are doing, no, I want to do this. Like I really want this. I need this. I love this. I want to increase. I want to become this. I want my farm to grow to this. If you have passion for that, you will always move forward. But if you don't have passion, you will be left behind. So I want to encourage somebody today that you don't have any family problem, you don't have any war from the devil. No, truly, the devil is fighting against everybody. But let me tell you, if the devil is pulling you and you are pulling him, there is no way he can hold you down. But if he's pulling you and you are going back, he's pulling and you are going back, my friend, my subscribers, there is no how. You will always go back. So is this business. If something like excuses, weakness, breakdown is pulling you backward and you are not giving up, with the passion you have, you will actually reach somewhere. I got a lot of people when they fail. I even have a farmer that failed So he was now saying, I'm not giving up. You know, he have something like 5 pounds, so, and he stopped fish. So something happened to him in the long run. So at the end of everything, his business collapsed totally. So now he's back to square one. So when we met and we were discussing, so he told me, brother, life wasn't like this with me in the beginning, but let's thank God for his grace. I'm not giving up. I'm looking for one way or the other, whatever thing I can put together so that I can get back to where I was before and even go beyond there. That is passion for you. So I have lots of people, lots of stories that I wouldn't even like to go into. I even had somebody that he sold everything he has. He sold everything. So at the end of everything, he told me, sir, I'm not giving up. I am going back to where I was before, and I'll make sure my business increase before I go into any other thing. So that is passion. Those people have passion for it. Failure will come. You will have retrogression. You will go backward. Like your business might collapse. Something like that might happen to you just to discourage you. But if you have passion and you are not discouraged, there is no way you will be left behind. You'll be going, increasing and increasing in size. So don't just think about those people that are their business are growing bigger. They have passion, and most of them, because they have passion for what they do, they go and get loan to increase their business. That is to tell you that they actually have a dream, they have where they are going to. So you are. So let the passion in you drive out the zeal in you, so that the zeal in you can drive out the knowledge in you, so that the knowledge in you will increase you and take you to a higher place in this business. You can actually be listed among the big farmer that they are calling in Nigeria, all over the world. You can actually be listed among them if you let the passion in you to lead you. But if you don't have passion for what you do, my brother, my sister, you will always be left behind. So this is what my spirit said I should just tell somebody that is watching me right now, that get passion in whatever thing you do. So thank you for watching our videos. Keep on subscribing to our videos. We promise we will be giving you the best that we have, and at the end of everything, we know that you are going to be happy as well. Thanks for watching our videos.